This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the memory saver on the Epic Privacy web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the memory saver, first thing you want to do is open up the settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Performance and click on Performance. Then on the center pane, right down here, Memory. It says Memory Saver, Epic Privacy Browser frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives you active tabs and other apps more computer resources to keep Epic Privacy Browser fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again after you go back to them. To enable it, you would just toggle this on. Then you would choose between moderate, balanced, or maximum. And to disable it, you would toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable the memory saver mode on the Epic Privacy web browser. Thanks for watching.